Here's a quick guide on how to use your Coleman Classic propane stove. Always place the stove on a sturdy, flat surface. Open the lid and position the wind guards as desired. Make sure the pot support, which is the metal grate, is in place and both knobs are in the off position. Take the regulator and screw it into the stove until it is hand tight. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the propane bottle and screw the propane bottle into the regulator until it is hand tight. Make sure the propane bottle is tilted with the top facing up. Hold a lighted match or butane lighter near the burner and turn the knob so that the burner is on. Adjust the knob until the flame is blue with a hint of yellow on the tips. Repeat the previous steps to light the second burner. When finished, turn all burner control knobs to off, remove the propane bottle and regulator. Once everything cools, clean the stove, place the gold end of the regulator into the hole provided for secure storage, fold the wind guards, and store away.
Today we are talking about the Jetboil Zip. The Zip is a tried and true classic, and it's based on Jetboil's original PCS design. The great thing about unregulated systems like the Zip is it harnesses every ounce of flux ring technology. And that means you get ultra efficiency and rapid boiling for 3-season performance. It weighs just 12 ounces, and you can actually store a 100-gram jet power can, the burner, and the fuel stabilizer in here. An adjustable 4,500 BTU burner and flux ring technology help keep the Zip super efficient. It'll boil 500 milliliters or 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes, and one of these 100-gram jet power cans will let you boil up to 12 liters of water depending on conditions. Now, match ignition also keeps the Zip super reliable and super simple. And what's match ignition? Well, you can also think of it as BYOB, bring your own big lighter. It comes with a 0.8 liter or 27 fluid ounce flux ring cooking cup and insulated cozy. That makes it the perfect size for 1 or 2 people. It's also got all the features you'd expect from Jetboil, like a pour spout in the lid, and then a bottom cover that actually doubles as a measuring cup or a bowl. So you've got everything you need to make a meal right here included with the Zip system. So all in all, the Zip is perfect for anybody looking for a lightweight and reliable cooking system that gives you everything you need and nothing you don't. Hey guys, today we are talking about the brand new Jetboil Flash. Now the Flash has always been about lightning fast boil times, and the new model continues that by shaving an entire minute off the previous version's boil time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now that means you can now boil 16 ounces of water in just 100 seconds. The base plate on the new Flash, which you can see right here, is made of aluminum, and that means it's an ounce lighter than previous models. Also makes for an easier on-off connection than the older model. The new Flash also has a thermochromatic heat indicator that changes color for safety and fuel efficiency. And it tells you exactly when the water is hot so you don't waste any fuel. It still comes with a 1-liter flux ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, but it's also been updated with a more ergonomic design and an improved lid for better fit and function. It's got a drink-through lid with a built-in strainer, and the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup and a bowl. The Flash also has a reliable push-button igniter, and it puts out 9,000 BTUs of power. The new Flash will let you boil 10 liters of water with just one of these 100-gram jet power cans. There are also new Flash Cozy color options for 2018, including Carbon Black, Matrix, Jet Cam, and Wilderness. And you can opt for the new Flash Java Kit, which you can see right here. The new Flash is also compatible with other accessories like the hanging kit, pot support, flux ring frying pan and pot, and utensils.
New WindBurner stove systems and accessory pots bring windproof performance to a wide range of group sizes and cooking styles. Now you can build a system that lets you cook a fast solo meal one weekend and a group feast the next. The WindBurner collection includes the original fast-boiling personal system, the 2-person duo system, a group system, and a combo system with a skillet. A full line of modular accessory pots includes a new stock pot for large volume meals. Each system carries forward the award-winning WindBurner technology that allows it to deliver fast boil times and greater performance in backcountry conditions like wind and cold. The new systems feature a remote canister stove, compatible with all WindBurner pots and providing greater stability for larger pots. At the heart of the WindBurner's performance is its unique radiant burner, which is far more wind resistant than conventional open flame stoves. Each pot is engineered to enclose the burner to further block the wind and maximize heat transfer. In addition, an internal pressure regulator ensures the stove runs strong in colder temperatures. These technologies give the WindBurner a big advantage in the backcountry, where even a slight breeze or drop in temperature slows the competition down, while the WindBurner continues to boil strong. That efficiency means you'll save fuel, so that each canister lasts longer. New WindBurner systems and pots are modular and nesting, allowing you to pack what you need for each adventure, whether that's a solo mission or an annual trip with friends. All system pots are made of light, durable, hard anodized aluminum, making them easy to carry in the backcountry. The 2.5-liter group sauce pot and the skillet also feature a tough ceramic non-stick surface for easy cleanup. Designed to make real meals, These two pans feature a heat-capturing ring that blocks the wind while allowing the heat to spread evenly for simmering. The Personal Pot, Duo Pot, and 4.5-liter Stock Pot feature a powerful built-in heat exchanger that completely encloses the burner. These pots are perfect for boiling water fast for making pouch meals, brewing coffee, or making large volumes of hot water or soup. Whether you're venturing into the wilderness on solo adventure, with a partner, or with the whole family, WindBurner stove systems have you covered with the cooking versatility you want and the reliable windproof performance you need.
Hey everybody, this is the Eureka Ignite Plus. It's the bigger brother to the regular Ignite, and it's the perfect stove to bring with you anytime you want complete kitchen performance with you while you're camping. Most other camp stoves seem to have two settings, on or off. And that means you're either blasting the heat and burning your food, or you're undercooking it. With the Ignite Plus, you get a huge range of adjustability thanks to Eureka's 2-turn ultimate simmer control. This allows you to really dial in the heat output of each burner individually, so you can boil water for coffee on one and simmer scrambled eggs on the other. It also comes with a push-button igniter that's really reliable, so you don't have to worry about bringing a lighter with you. The burners are spaced far enough apart that you can get two 12-inch pans on there, no problem. That gives you a ton of options when it comes time to cook meals for your group. The Ignite Plus comes with a regulator for hooking up your propane bottle, and it's also JetLink compatible, which means you can daisy chain it to other Eureka and Jetboil systems like the Gonzo grill that we have right here. Beyond that, the Ignite Plus has adjustable rubber leveling feet that are non-slip and ensure you have a level cooking surface. All in all, the Ignite Plus is a fantastic stove that lets you bring the cooking performance of your kitchen range with you camping.